Hey there and welcome back to the channel. I've been looking for some affordable RGB gaming speakers and found these ones on Amazon. So let's take a look and see if they're right for you. Alright, so here's the packaging. Nothing too special, but it does feel solid. I do love the minimalistic design with the Jeecoo logo right up front here. I believe I'm saying that correctly. These are the M30 USB powered. On the side here, they promise clear audio and RGB, so we'll check that out. These are 10-watt output speakers, and we've got the RGB lighting here on the front of the speakers. All right, so let's go ahead and open these up. And there they are. These are the white edition. They also come in black, but these are the ones that Jeecoo sent me to check out. And there they are, the Jeecoo M30 RGB gaming speakers. Wow, these look even better in person. The white finish with the RGB lighting accents gives them a really cool futuristic vibe. The build quality feels solid, which is always a good sign. These speakers are designed to withstand those intense gaming sessions without any issue. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the speakers here. We've got those unboxed. Here we go. These are the speakers. These are the Jeecoo M30s. These speakers, the cord between the two speakers here, there's about a 4-foot cord. So you should have plenty of room for your desk setup. The USB powered cable is about 5 feet. So we've got a USB-A connection here. Let's see, get the camera to focus there. So there we go, that's USB-A, and plenty of room here. This cable is about 5 feet long, so you should have plenty to hook this up on your desk setup. All right, let's go ahead and hook these up and see how they sound. Okay, so we've got the speakers all plugged in. Moment of truth. All right, let's go ahead and hook these up. I go ahead and set up the Bluetooth connection. So if we press the button over here once, try that again. So if we double press the top power button, okay, so we're getting a sound that says Bluetooth mode. Let me go ahead and turn up the volume so you can hear that. And there we go, Jeecoo M30. Go ahead and connect to that. Connected. And now we are connected. So let's go ahead and put on some music, see how this sounds. All right, so we got some music going here. Let's turn them up and see how they sound. Wow, the sound quality on these speakers is seriously impressive. The bass is punchy, the mids are clear, and the highs are nice and crisp. Plus the RGB lighting adds a whole new level of immersion to the gaming experience. Let's go ahead and try some different audio. Well, from the different audio types, whether you're gaming, listening to music, or watching movies, these speakers deliver an immersive audio experience that really brings the content to life. What's the verdict? Well, the Jeecoo M30 RGB speakers definitely get a thumbs up from me. They look great, and they're packed with features that any gamer would appreciate. If you're in the market for some affordable RGB gaming speakers, definitely take a look and give these a try. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. That way you don't miss any new videos when they're uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.